Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I finally got the Samsung Galaxy Buds. I did pre-order my Galaxy S10 Plus from T-Mobile, so I was able to pick up these for free. I've been actually using them for about a week now. I just want to give you my review coming from an average Joe, which means pretty much I'm not a speaker head. I don't have a bunch of headphones, not the expert when it comes to headphones, but I can give you my experiences with it. I can tell you what I like and dislike about it, and also how the sound quality is to me, especially coming from someone that's not the expert on it. But let's get into this review. The first thing I want to talk about is just the case itself. It's really compact, it's really small. It does have Type-C charging. The best part is wireless charging too for the case. If you have the Galaxy S10 Plus, you know what you can do. You can wireless charge your buds from your Galaxy S10 Plus, which makes it convenient in case you need to tap off on your Galaxy Buds. So the nice thing about these Galaxy Buds is really easy to pair with your Galaxy S10 Plus or even any other Android phone. I'd pair them to my Sony phone. All I had to do was download the wearable app from this Play Store to the Sony phone, and it worked really well. By the time you open up the case, you will see that the headphones are already being paired. Look, they're already paired. Bam. So I'm gonna open up the app now. You can tell I'm at 100% on both sides. I love how they put everything pretty much easy right in front of you. You have an equalizer. The best one on that one is dynamic. Don't try any of the other ones. Now, if you misplace your buds, you can actually find them with this too. Now, we will talk about this ambient sound feature too, if it works, but I will definitely get into that too. But let's check out the Galaxy Buds itself. Look at that. They're really small. Now, when you have them in the ear, I don't see a lot of YouTubers talking about this. They look like you have cotton balls in your ear. To be honest, my daughter said, "Dad, you got cotton balls in your ears?" So they started laughing at me. Now, and the great thing about these buds too, they really fit good in the ear. Once you find the right tip and the little ear piece here, they will fit really good in the ear. It won't come out. You won't have to worry about losing them. Actually, sometimes it's hard to get them out the ear because they fit in there so well. Now, let's discuss some things I don't like about it. The first thing I want to discuss that doesn't work very well is that ambient sound. You're supposed to have the headphones on and hear around you. If you turn that on, if you playing music or anything, you can't hear anybody talking to you. You won't hear really any other sounds coming from outside the earphones, which is kind of sad. I know the AirPods are supposed to do a good job at that. These really suck if you have music playing. Now, when you don't, it still sounds weird. It makes like a door shut, really sounds weird. Another thing about that feature is even the voices coming from like your kids or outside, they just sound a little bit muted because you have them on. Doesn't do a great job. I just wish they could fix the ambient sound maybe with an update. Definitely something could be a little bit better on there. The next thing I don't like about them is the autoplay feature or auto stop feature, whatever you want to call it. When you take out one side of the earbuds or the other side, it's supposed to stop whatever you're doing or playing. For whatever reason, this pair that I have, I can take out the left one, nothing stops it. I can take out the right one, doesn't stop it. I have to take out both of them, which defeats the whole purpose of, taking out one. That way you can either talk to the person that's trying to talk to you or listen to whatever you're trying to do with one out. I don't know. Maybe I have a defective pair. Maybe they turn that feature off. I don't know what's going on with it. If you have the Galaxy Buds and the auto stop feature, auto play feature works for you, let me know in the comments. The next thing I want to talk about is the overall sound that you get from these Galaxy Buds. And for me, like an average Joe, they sound really good. It gets really loud. The bass is really good on here too. Now, is it the best out there? Probably not. But for what I'm looking for and what I'm listening to, I give them a thumbs up because the sound is just good. I like the music. I mean, you can play music, watch YouTube videos if you're watching your favorite YouTuber like Forbes Tech Reviews. Everything sounds good. It actually syncs up really good to the voices of YouTube too. I don't see it out of sync at all, really. Also, when you're making phone calls on here, I don't have a problem hearing the other person. My daughter said I sounded really good coming from her headphones. She's kind of jealous. She wants the AirPods. I told her, hey, you can have these Galaxy Buds, and she just started laughing at me. She did say I sound great coming from the Galaxy Buds. I sounded clear to her, and she sounded really good to me too. Could it be a little bit better? Could it be a little bit clearer? Yes, I understand that too, but they definitely work. The next thing I want to talk about is the overall battery life. It says that you can get about 6 to 7 hours of listening time. I got about between 5 to 6 hours of listening time and talking to my daughter when I was trying them out the last couple of days, which is really good to me. I don't have a problem. Again, I can wireless charge it easy enough with the Galaxy S10 Plus or with any other wireless charger that I have around the house. The Type-C charging case also makes it easy to charge because I have Type-C cables all over my house. Okay, I just want to wrap up this video. My overall experience with the Galaxy Buds has been really good. Let me go ahead and move those up. Yes, over the last week, I've been using them and I have no complaints so far, except for the ones I mentioned, which are minor complaints to me. If they're major to you, y'all let me know in the comments. The sound you get from them, great. The best thing about these are how easy they are to pair with the Galaxy S10 Plus and other Android phones, which makes life a lot easier. I have other wireless headphones that are a lot harder to pair than these. These pair really easy. Overall, the price too for 130 bucks, I think they're priced pretty well. I know you can get them from $99 like from AT&T right now. I know a lot of people got these free because they pre-ordered the Galaxy S10 Plus. I think Samsung did it right. Yes, they have some improvements they could definitely fix on these, but they're trying to build that ecosystem like another company that we all know. Coming from an average Joe, I really like my experiences with the Samsung Galaxy Buds. Stay tuned to the channel. I will definitely come back, maybe give you an updated review in about a month or so. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more coverage on both of these products. Please don't forget to follow me on Twitter at @ForZReviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.